everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video because burlapfabric.com reached out to me and said they would love it if they could send me some burlap to review on my channel, and I'm gonna unbox it for you right now. It was a very kind exchange. They were asking me to pick some stuff out, and what I asked them to do is to send me just variety of samples, maybe their best sellers or whatever. So I'm gonna open it now. First I'm gonna read the little packing card, okay? And it just says packing list. And it says the lowest burlap prices on the web, burlapfabric.com. Okay? So let's see. I'm trying to see if there's a top. I'm thinking that the top is where they put the labels, so I'm gonna go in this way. I am excited, actually. Mom was like, there's a package for you, and I was like, I don't remember anything. And then I realized, oh my goodness, and it came very quickly. We just had this exchange a few days ago, so she must have put something together for me right away. I'm gonna link the website in the description box down below. Actually, it might be better for me to, I'll link the website and then I'll link the items that I got as well. This way you guys can go, if you're just looking for one individual thing. Okay. Oh wow, oh my goodness. First of all, look at the size of this box. And it weighs almost nothing because you know burlap's not very heavy. So the first thing, ooh, Lisa's gonna melt. It says the natural, 100% natural, biodegradable, renewable, reusable. Look at that beautiful bag. And there's 2 of them. She sent me 2. They sent me 2. Reusable shopping bags, which you guys know I love. I only use, unless I go to the Dollar Tree, because then I use those for garbage cans, but that's another story altogether. Oh my gosh, I love them. So what do we have here? Green. Okay, so this looks like possibly 1.5 inch. See, I'm so good. 1.5 inch by 10 yards. Green natural edged burlap ribbon. Let me open one. I've got 4. Oh no, I've got 5. So let me open one. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day coming, even Easter. So I'm excited about that. And I love the 1.5 inch size. Okay, so it's taped all closed, of course. Let me find that beginning there. Get the scissor. So this is, oh, wonderful. This is a really nice 1.5 inch wide raw edged burlap. I love it. It's got a nice open weave, but it's very, you know, we get natural edge burlap from the Dollar Tree, and that is, I want to say poor quality, but you see how this is already, the ends are already removed, so you don't have lots of threads coming off. It's actually really, I'm going to try to pull some threads off, and no, it's actually really in there really tightly, which is great. No fraying. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. They don't guarantee no fraying. I'm just saying that's what I'm assuming. That's what I'm testing right now, that there's no fraying. Ooh, what are these? So there is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. No, they're not. Stop. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Okay, so here's my description. They are, oh, there's a description here. 6 by 6 by 6. They are like cubes, which obviously you could use for storage, but they're lined in plastic. So they would be so great around a flower pot. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous. And I got 6 of them. I might have to do a giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a while, but I would love to share these. Oh my goodness. It's so exciting. They're nice and thick. Oh, I didn't even describe them to you. Besides being 6 by 6 by 6, and I was excited that they're lined with plastic, they are beautifully sewn on these 2 long edges and then the 2 bottom edges. And they're completely collapsible the way that they're stored. These would make great, oh my gosh, these make great gift baskets too. I love them. And I have the item numbers here, so I will link all of the items in the description box down below so you guys can find them. And then what is this? Oh my. It is an actual whole pillow. It looks like it's a 22-inch, oh, 20-inch, okay. It really looked bigger than that. It's a 20-inch pillow. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I want to just do everything with it right now. I want to throw it in the corner, and I want to cover it, and I want to, oh my gosh, I want to make medallions for it and decals for it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And I have to tell you, it's actually very soft. A lot of times burlap can be very scratchy, and I'm not saying this is like a kitten because it is burlap, but it's very soft. More, you know, more like a burlap fabric you would expect to be a little bit softer. But I love it. Oh my goodness. Thank you. And I just found that there is a 6th roll of the green burlap ribbon. I am so excited. Thank you so much to burlapfabric.com for sending me all of these wonderful things to share with you guys. I am like, my mind is reeling right now about all the things that I can do. I don't even know where to start or where to finish. Oh my goodness. But thank you to everyone at burlapfabric.com. Make sure to check them out on their website. Their prices were, you know, they said the cheapest prices on the internet, for sure. I mean, I haven't found anything when I was doing my research before I decided to agree to have them sponsor me. I agree. And their selection was amazing. So I was like, that's why I couldn't decide. That's why I reached out and I said, why don't you guys send me some samples of things that you have that are good sellers or whatever. So thank you all so very much at burlapfabric.com. Make sure you check them out in the description box. I'll leave links for all of these items as well as just to their website. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I'm like almost like a little speechless with that. I didn't know they had pillows. Like I was looking at all of their burlap fabrics and samples and stuff. I didn't know they had bags like this. I was too busy looking at like sheet burlap and ribbon burlap and burlap, you know, I was so busy looking at that I didn't even know they had these things, which I'm so excited that they sent me because I may still not know. So if you would like to share with friends and family, anybody you know who's in the market, maybe they have like a rustic farmhouse wedding coming, or they're going to redo their house and they can use some very inexpensive burlap, definitely check them out. Okay, and don't forget to share with them. And as always, you take care, God bless, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, burlapfabric.com. Bye.
What happened to the roof?
Well, the roof is not there.
This is awful. Oh my gosh.
Somebody made this house a long time ago, but they make a wishboard with a key. So that's not wrong.
So the whole roof has to come off on this side?
Yeah, we need to replace that one again and try live something great.
Wow. I honestly don't know what to say right now. So when they tore off the old gable, they discovered that the main part of the roof was not properly supported and was about to collapse. This is going to cost us about $5,000 to repair.
3-4 more days, you can see something, you know, brand new one.
Ron's not going to like this. As promised, Lucio and his crew built our new roof in just 3 days.
I go out of town and the roof falls down.
But you know what's good? I got it back up. I can handle this contractor stuff. I mean, you could have really stayed away another week or two.
If I stayed away one more week, there may not have been a home to come back to.
Take a deep breath. Let me show you the inside.
I hope I'm still
Does
breathing.
that make a pretty bow? What?
What the? Oh boy. This is definitely a lot different than the last time I was at this house. But it looks like we were able to evolve the entire
All the way
inside of this
back.
house.
Look how
And
nice
that's what
it
the framer told me.
pulls.
He's like, because we're going to do this anyway, he said I could take it all the way back. It's going to actually really add so much to the kitchen now that you look at it. It did cost us some extra money, but I think in the long run, it will pay off. Unless a natural disaster comes and picks up this house, I think